Hey guys, me Chris. I put in gas on my decent Versa before the snowstorm hits. You know, this car's a gas saver. Well, I'm putting less for now. $10 at least. Anyways, like I said, guys, it's gonna snow soon, hours from now. So that's why I'm going to South Star Mall to get meat fresh. Mom wants one, so I'm gonna go there right now. So that's what you do, guys. Do this. You never know if there's some gas in here. Okay, that is okay. You never know. But that, no. And always close these guys right here. Okay, there. Okay. Jesus, bro. Make sure it's locked. Boom. Success. Alright, guys, I'm gonna go to South Star Mall before snow hits. We'll pick up that bubble tea meat fresh. So let's go. See you guys soon.